go through. Let's go through this together. Okay, so let's find this first, right? This little thing. So 180, 180. Okay. Really? Teach me. Okay, 180 minus 76. 180. Take away 76. Take away 29. 75. Here is 75. Because 180 minus 76 minus 29, yeah, I get 75. Then I take 75 divided by 2. 75 divided by 2. Why do I need to take 75 divided by 2? Because it's a rhombus. So you can halve it, yeah? So this one is a BD is 37.5. Right, when you divide it by 2. Next, EAC. So next one, EAC is the angle at the top. You understand? Okay, next EAC angle at the top. Because we have this, here is 37.5, right? Okay, what is this angle? Here also 37.5. Right? Wait, the answer is 29. Okay, sorry, it's 70. So this whole thing is not 37.5, sorry, it's 70. Because you got to multiply by 2. And then you take 180. To find EAC is 180 minus 70 minus 76. Why? Because this is one big triangle, yeah? One big triangle, 180 minus the 2 base, you find the one at the top. This is equal to 4. What have I got? 180 minus 70 minus 76. How come I got 34? Oh, 75. Here's 75. See wrongly, yeah? 75. So I get 29. Sorry, see wrongly. Okay, so I get 29 degrees, right? So far, so good. So far, so good. Next. Okay, next one, what do I get?
75.360 and 339.12. Be about 678.24.
Question number 8. Do you get this? 75.36.
I got both.
339.12.
I got both. I got both.
Okay, so we will go through, yeah? So A, Emma, how about you? All correct. Awesome. Circle. Okay, so first one, I don't go through. Second one, find the total area of the arch. Do you need to go through the first one, perimeter? Perimeter is basically two, you see this circumference, right? Semicircle, then after that find two semicircle, yeah? So that's pretty, yeah, it's just one circle. So what's the formula for one circle? 2 pi r, right? And then we have the POQ is 24, so radius is 12. Next, find the total area of the unshaded part. So total area of unshaded part is a semicircle and two semicircle. One big semicircle, two small semicircle. So what's the area of the one big semicircle? Pi r square, right?
Yeah.
Divided by 2. Okay, so what's pi r square divided by 2? Pi is 3.14, so 3.14 times 12 times 12. But the final answer, gotta divide by 2. Okay, and we get times 12 times 12 divided by 2. 226.08. 226.08. Okay, so that is the unshaded part at the bottom. Now find this one. Two of them, two semicircle becomes one big circle, right? So it's just pi r squared. But what is the radius? The radius is half, so it's 6. So 3.14 times 36. 6 times 6, 36. That gives me 113. 1. You stuck again. 113.04. So I got 113.04 for the two circles, and these add together plus 226.02. 339. One answer 339.06. Okay? Is that right? Yeah.
Wait, but they were 339.12.
339.12, yeah. So I got some calculation, some mini calculation, decimal error, yeah? That's fine. Next. Life goes on, yeah? PSLE. That's 5 marks, eh? Whoa. What is this? BCS such that it does not overlap parallelogram BCD. Huh? Don't know what this. Skip. Can't see the. Okay, next one 10. At a sport shop, each basket. Okay, what do you get for 10? 7.
I got 16.
16. 7. Oh, 16, 7, and don't know. Oh man. This old man. 16. Let's check it out, yeah? So a sport shop, each basketball costs $23.60. For basketball. How does a basketball look like? Seriously. Eh?
It looks like beach ball.
Is that what?
Beach ball.
Yeah, beach. How does it look like? Well, I used to know. What happened? Like that? That? Looks more like it, yeah? Okay, then football. Okay, football I know. Football is a lot of octagon shape. Yeah, football. So basketball $23.60. Let's step it out. 23.60 and football 36.40. 6.40. Right? So Mr. Zhong bought 3 times as many basketball as football. Yeah, VU lah. VU. Value units. So value units. What do we do? Multiply. Find VU. Units is let's see. Basketball 23.6. 23.60. The football letter F 36.4. How about the units? 3 times. This is 3. This is 1. Okay, can you see? BU, my favorite. So find VU this times this. 23.6 times 3. 70.8.
No need your iPad already.
Huh? No need, yeah. This one faster. See, I mean, writing is faster, but I need to connect again. So this is, but it's bigger, right? 4. Yeah. So I got this. You add them together. Total VU 30.8 plus 36.4. 107.2 VU. 107.2 VU represents. Cannot add. Why? Because they say the difference. He spent 550 more on basketball, not the total. He doesn't say total. Okay? He said the difference. So what's the difference in VU? You must minus 70.8. Take away 36.4. 34.4. So 3. Oh man. The problem with this is has to wait a while. 3, 4. You know what I mean? I minus. Do you know why I minus? Because it said the difference. So 3, 4.4 VU represents 550.40. What is 1 VU? 16. Okay, 1 VU is 16. So the thing is, how many footballs did Mr. Chong buy? So I got to look at this column. I need to look at that column. Well, this column. Right, must look at this column. So you see 1 VU is 16, right? So over here I have 36.4 VU. But because one football costs 36.4, it's the same as, if I take 16 times 36.4, I'll find the amount he spent on football. 36.4 VU, 582.4. That's the amount he spent on football. But I need to divide by 16 again because I need to divide by 36.4 because one football costs 36.4. Yeah, get back 16. So that's why it's straight away 16. You understand? But the good thing about VU is that immediately you know how much is spent on each of the item. That's why it's still my favorite strategy, apart from the fact that it sounds so weird.
So it's 16.
Yeah.
Yay!
I say 16, okay?
Yay, good job.
VU save the day. VU save the day again. You see, 3 marks gone, if you don't know how to do. Did you use VU? How do you solve model drawing?
I used the calculator.
So did I. But what method? Do you have a special method? No? Is it something like that?
I times the basketball times 3 minus the football. Then divided 550.4.
No.
Find the difference.
Yeah, same. So you did the same method. Okay, next one, 11.
49 over 55.
How about y'all? What do you get? What do you get? Never do. I don't know how to do it. Okay, can you try? Do you know how to start? Okay, there are some children in the hall. 5 over 9 are boys. So boys, 5. Girls, how many? Girls, how many? How many? How many?
4.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm done, yeah? So this sentence finished, so I draw a line. So the girls are equally divided into 11 groups. The total number of girls is fewer than... There are 6 boys who wear spectacles. How many boys? What? Okay. Okay, first look. I don't know what to do also. Right, so I must sit up now. Must be serious already, yeah? The girls are divided equally into 11 groups. How is that important? Oh, so it's a multiple of 11. You understand? Equally, yeah? Equally. So what can I do? I can change this to 44 is to 55. Okay, because 4 cannot divide equally, right? But 44 can divide equally. But this is still a ratio, okay? This is still ratio. Still testing only. Yeah? Haven't confirmed. So I'm done with this one, you see? The information finished, so I draw a line. Can you see that? I draw a line. Don't need to go back again. So the total number of girls is fewer than 60. and there are 6 boys who wear spectacles. The total number of girls is still the same. Okay, so the number must be divisible by 11. So it's less than 60. Can divide by 11. And then 6 boys who wear spectacles. What does it mean? What's it going to do this? There are 6 boys who wear spectacles. Big question mark. Tweet. I have no idea. The girls are divided into 11. The total number of girls is students. Is it 44? What? How many boys do not wear spectacles? Is it 49? I will take 55 minus 6 equals to 49. Yeah. Okay. Okay, bad question, okay? Not your fault. I think it's a bad question. Yeah, I think it's a bad question, right? There are no heuristic here. It's just testing. I don't know how to solve it though. I mean, I just test different number, guess and check. That's all. Yeah. So we gotta forgive the teacher or the school or whoever that said this, right? Yeah, it's fine. But the thing is, after you guess and check, is there another answer? Do you think there's other number? Don't have. Can you put 33 here? Cannot, because it's not a ratio of 4. Can you put 55 here? Also cannot. It doesn't. It cannot gel. You understand? Yeah, it cannot gel. So really guess and check. Yeah, 49. Next one. 大人 has 10 candies. Wow. 大人 you know. Elijah has 30. What do you get? Also don't know. How about Isaac? Also don't know. Jaleo? 12. 大人 candy?
14.
14. Let's show whether it's correct.
So the previous
54. The answer is 54. 54, Let's see how it's done, okay? This one could be another weird question, yeah? 大人 has 10. Big one. Has 10. Elijah has 30. Faith has 4 fewer than the average number of candies that 大人 Elijah and Faith have. So you have Faith. Faith is a girl.
The girl is taller than her.
Girl, long hair. Right? Now we do not know Faith has how many? 4 fewer candies than the average number of candies that 大人 Elijah and Faith. So 4 fewer than the average.
But I can't find the average.
Yeah, I know. So what we have to do is we have to let this be x minus 4. X is the average. You understand? Now, this type of question, right? I use the TAN triangle. What's the TAN triangle? Tan triangle. Here's A stands for average, T stands for total, N stands for the number of people. So how many people are there here? 3. 1 equal to 3. My average, I let it be X. Okay, average is X. So what's the total? If there are 3 people, yeah, each one 3x, or you total is 3x. Okay. So 3x is equal to, now this 大人, right, has 10, right? Elijah has 30, and then the Faith has x minus 4. So if I add them together, what do I get? 10 plus 30 plus x minus 4, what do I get?
We get 40.
40 plus x minus 4, correct? If I add them together, I should get 40 plus x. Okay, so what's 40 take away 4?
36 plus x.
Yeah, I get 36 plus x. Now that is the total. But according to my TAN triangle, my total is 3x. So this 30, oh, very good. Yeah. So this 36 plus x is the same as 3x. So 2x equal to 36. 2x 36, right? So x equal to 18, right? What's the question?
N is total.
Yeah, total. So add them together. Yeah, 54. See? TAN. Yeah, it's algebra. It's algebra. It's okay, you know. If you don't know, then draw a diagram right there, yeah? Since you already get it wrong, right? Just entertain the examiner a bit. I mean, try to get it correct, but if you cannot, then yeah, it's okay. This one difficult. Okay, skip. No. Oh, I know what's wrong. It's 8 red and green, sorry. So this plus this. Okay, so what's the combination? You cannot put, okay, so you choose how many? 5 here, is it? And then 3 here, is it? Correct? Yeah. Now, is there any other combination? Find the smallest possible difference between the total number of pens in Madam Ng's red and total number of pens in her green.
You can do decimal.
Huh? No, cannot decimal. So try and error. I will use try and error. Yeah, so I mean there are different combinations that you can use 4 and 4 or 8 and 1. Sorry, 1 and 7. So this one gives you 200 and this one gives you 180. So when you minus, you get 20. Okay, the correct combination. Next one. Mr. Lee has some red and blue bags. Red and blue. The ratio of total number of pen in the red to total pen in blue is 6:5. So red is to blue, 6:5. Express the number of his blue bag as a fraction or VU. Another VU question. Why? Because red has a value of 40. So this is U. V. Red is 40. Sorry, this is VU. They already calculated the VU. VU 6:5. V is 40. And then this is 60. So the ratio of the total number of, and this is a total. But I do not know what's the U. I don't know what's the U. What's the U here? You see V, usually V times U will give me VU, right? But now reverse. You understand? They reverse the situation. They tell you VU first. And the VU is in a simplified ratio. Got it? They tell you the VU in a simplified ratio. So
you don't know what.
But what can you do? You can simplify this. You see your 40, 60, right? What can I do? I can remove the 0. Yeah, 2:3. 2:3. right? So this is 2 is to 3. Now 2 times something give me 6. Oh, I take 6 divided by 2, I get 3. 3 here. 3. And then 5 divided by 3 is just 5 over 3. Right? So express the number of his blue as a fraction of the total. Blue is 5 over 3. And then this one is 3.
What's 5 over 3?
5 over 3 is a decimal. What's wrong with you? Alright, so if you don't like decimal, what can you do? If you don't like decimal, just times 3. Multiply by 3. Here also times 3. So 9 is to 5. Correct? At times 3. Because it's a ratio, you understand? Ratio you can multiply throughout. But if you every time you multiply one, you can multiply the other. So again, 9 is 5. Now what do they want? Express the number of blue as a fraction of the total. What's the total? 14. Total is 14. So blue is 5. Which is wrong. Dang. What the? Where did I get wrong? So you see, no, I don't get correct all the time. 2 marks. How come? My reasoning correct or not? Anything wrong with my logic? You see, Isaac is my biggest fan. Nothing wrong with his logic. What's wrong? Is there something wrong with my logic? Or did I see the color wrongly? Let me see one more time, okay? Mr. Lee has, oh, I know. Are you doing TikTok? No. Mr. Lee has some red and blue bags. The ratio of the total number of pens in Mr. Lee's red to total number of pens in blue is 6 to 5. Okay. See, now I'm checking. So you see, if it was exam, this would be disastrous because I wouldn't know that I got it wrong. Yeah. So 6 is to 5. Express the number of his blue as a fraction of the total number of bags. Oh, total number of bags, does it include the other color? No. Okay, wait. Did I get the 40 and 50? Oh, you know what's the error? I chose the wrong color. Red is 40. Blue is 50. Okay, my value, I used the wrong value. That's why. One more time. Simple error, yeah? Let's do it again. Okay, what's the value? One more time. Now I use red so I can see better. Okay, red is 40. Oh, it's 40. And blue is 50. So it's 4 is to 5. Alright? Just now I didn't use 4 is to 5. So 4 is to 5. Right? Now what's the units? What's the units? Question mark, yeah? So 6 divided by 4. This is 6 over 4. And then here 5 divided by 5 is just 1. 1 whole. Okay? Yeah, so red color is my correction. Red color was my correction because I saw the wrong number. I used the wrong number.
Now it should be correct.
Yeah, that should be correct. So once again, they want the blue versus total. Now, I don't like 6 over 4. So I change to times 4. So 6 is to times 4. 4. Okay? Times 4 here, times 4 here. So ratio. Now, what's the total? Total is 10. And blue color is 4. So my final answer 2 over 5. Yeah, see? Okay. Correction, red color correction. Okay. So the VU still works. VU definitely works. Okay. Just don't see the wrong value.
Boring.
All right. Not all right. Next one. Whoa. Junkie. Okay, this I think y'all can try. Let's take some time to do.
No idea.
What do you get?
False, not possible to tell, and 36.
False. And Ming Ho. Ming Ho at the bottom. So now let's draw blue. Junkie has 9 more than Ming Ho, so J is here, M is here. This is the 9. 9 more, right? Ming Ho has 5 more green than Junkie. So let's talk about green, yeah? It's green. Green color. Who has more green? Ming Ho has 5 more. So like that. Okay, this little thing is 5. So this is G, this one is G. Okay, Junkie, Ming Ho has 5 more than Junkie. Next, the ratio of red that Junkie has to the number of red that Ming Ho has is 5 is 3. Now where are the rest of the red? This is how many units? The rest are red, ma. Junkie, how many units? 5, right? This is 5U. And then here, how many units? 3U. So 5U includes the 9. 3U is just 3U.
2U is
5 unit includes the 9. So if I were to draw this thing here, here is 3U, right?
2U is 5 plus 9.
Here is 3 units, so it's complicated, yeah? So 9 plus 5 equals to 2U. So 1U equals to, oops, 7. Wait, did I say 2 just now? Yeah. 7. Okay, see the diagram? This is 5 units. This is 5 units. Yeah, I forgot the 9. I didn't add the 9 here. I shouldn't mind, I should add. Okay, so this whole thing is 5 units. This whole thing is 5U. This part is 3U. Hey, wait a minute. This one is 3U. So here is 5. Yep. Yeah, so 2U. So 1 unit is 7. So how many red buttons do Junkie and Ming Ho have altogether? Wow. So if 1 unit is 7, this you have to find the total, yeah? Hey, but how do I know the number of green? What the? Wait, how many marks is this? Why they do this?
This question is 3 marks.
Wait, how to find the number of green? Oh, what? Junkie has 9 more than Ming Ho.
What is inside the box?
Oh, I know what's wrong. Five more green. That settles the number of green, right? So 1 unit here. Wait, let me read the whole thing again, okay? It's not really troublesome. Wait. Meanwhile, I give you the next paper, okay? You do the paper 1. Don't worry. Do the MCQ. 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 Junkie, Ming Ho, Ali has some green and some red. Redraw. Okay? Redraw everything.
So we're doing the first question.
Yeah, do MCQ. Junkie and 9 more than Ming Ho. Oh, they only ask for red, they never ask for green. So I don't have to find green. How many red? I thought they asked the total number. Okay, so here is yeah, no, it's not. Skip. So it's okay. I solved this already. Yeah. Sweet, no, it's not. Okay. Anyway, the working is correct. Working is correct. Here, all you have to do is to find the number of red. So how many red are there altogether? 8 units, right? The number of red total is 8 units. So 1 unit is 7, 8 units goes to 56. That's it. At first I thought need to find green. Yeah, don't have to find green. Just find red.
I know how to do that. I know how.
Okay, so that's it, right? The rest I think is pretty okay. Okay, next paper is from Rosai. So
I have done 8, 9 questions already.
very good. I better start a new board. New 3-6 math. Okay, hey, covered, close. Okay, come. Time to go try MCQ. You're done, right? Why are you using calculator? Use calculator. You're playing game, right? Checking. Okay, come. Come, Teddy, come.
Yeah, let's just close this thing first.
Sure. Let's go a micrometer. You learn that in Sec 1. Okay, Sec 1, you learn how to use the micrometer. Yeah, and the vernier calipers. Okay, so it's time to check the MCQ, yeah? So this is from Rosai. Prelim paper. When is your prelim, do you know? Do you have a date? Prelim date?
Somewhere around August.
Yeah, that's like next month. I want this one. Next week. Next week. Next week. This week or next week?
I am not sure.
Okay, but you are well prepared, huh? Do you know how many papers you have done already?
Yeah,
Whoa, let me calculate for you, yeah? So we started off with batch 1. Batch 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was using the circuit breaker. Right, the one where I had to send the paper to your house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we went with 2, batch 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 11 already. And then we are now at batch 3. So second one. 13. You've done 13 prelim papers. Are you proud of yourself?
No.
Why? You done 13 prelim papers, eh? Yeah, that's a lot of papers to go through, yeah? Hey, no. Isaac, Daniel, no. Daniel. This one, there's electricity. Daniel? No. No, electric current.
Oh.
Okay, don't touch here. You touch other stuff, it's fine. Okay, let's check the MCQ now. Page number 40. You might get electrocuted, no? 40. Okay, can you see the MCQ? Can you please mark? The answers are here. Please mark.
2, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3.
Please mark your multiple choices.
4, 1. I got 4 for MCQ.
That is great to hear. Daniel? Mark.
Yeah, that's about plastic is insulated.
Yeah, please do not
So it
connect,
does
yeah?
not work at all. Wait, calculator.
What? No lah, that's glass. How does it work? Wait, I take picture for you. Curious boy. Can you mark the MCQ? Finish.
Insulated. Check votes. Huh? HFE.
How many marks you get? Don't know? Calculate, no. First 10 is 1 mark each, yeah? Last one is 2 marks each. Those questions that you don't have to do, just mark yourself is correct. Okay, how many marks do you get? You got full marks. How about you? Calculate lah. 5 marks. Cannot be 5. What wrong? Which one wrong? 1 wrong. 1 wrong. Only 1 wrong. 2 wrong. 2 marks gone. 3 marks. 4 marks gone. 4 marks gone. How about 14? Okay, which one do you want to go through? Hey, don't touch this electric current one, right? No. Do something else. Okay, which one do you want to go through? Question number 5. Okay. Let's look at MCQ number 5. How many letters below have both parallel and perpendicular? So, does this have parallel? Yeah, see this one parallel. This one also perpendicular. Yes, so this is one of them. This one also one of them. Parallel, perpendicular. This one? No. You must have both parallel and perpendicular. This one only have perpendicular, no parallel. Don't have parallel, yeah? So here parallel, no perpendicular. This one also have parallel and perpendicular. So the answer is 3. There are 3 of them with parallel and perpendicular line.
What? 1
Got it?
point. What?
I'll teach you how to use it next time. Yeah, that's not the way. But it's good. You're going to explore. Next one. Are you done? Any more MCQ? Go through. 6. Okay. Karen is thinking of a quadrilateral. What's the meaning of quadrilateral? That means 4-sided figure, yeah? it has two pairs of parallel sides, so it cannot be A because they're talking about two pairs, so it's either D or C or B. Okay, next one, not all angles are the same, so it cannot be this because all angles are the same. So this one not all angles are the same, so this one is settled. Not all sides are the same length, so answer is D. Because here rhombus all sides same length, so it's gone. Okay, that's it. Any more? Not parallel. Doesn't this have two parallel? They want two pairs. Two pair equal 4. Two pair.
It is a receipt for hot tomato food. It says 1 pork and sausage, 1 salmon mango, and 2 set meal.
Yeah.
This is $39.80.
When was this?
Hot tomato. I don't know.
Serangoon hot tomato, not me lah, some other. Wow, this is 2019, last year. Yeah.
1 year old.
Yeah. Okay, next. Any more? Any more? Come on, it's time to go through MCQ. Must get full marks, right? Question number 1. Then 11. Question number 11. Okay, Andre had 24 more stamps than Bella. When Bella gave, okay, wait, I got A here, B here. So A is too long. Then A don't. Huh? What happened? Okay, A is
Hot tomato. Tomato receipt long.
okay. A is 34 more than B. So here, right? A is 34 more than B. Yeah. When B gave 18 to A had 4 times. So here I chop off 18. Right, extend here by 18.
A times A divided by A.
And then here's additional 18. Right, so this one gone. Wait. Shh. A have 4 times. Now this is 1 time. This is 1 time. So the remaining will be how many times? 3 times. 3 units. Yeah. So 18 plus 24 plus 18 is how many units? 36 plus 24, 60. So 60 represents 3 units. So 1 unit represents by 20. How many stamps did Bella have at first? So Bella is 1U plus 18. This is 20 plus 18. That will give us a grand total of 38. What are you doing?
There's something like that.
What's happening? What? Bubble? Yeah, one day I'm going to peel off the whole thing, yeah? You know, I bought this laptop for 3 years. I have not peeled off the plastic. I'm proud of myself. 3 years old, right? 3 years old, plastic still intact. Next question, please. Right? Come on. Never add again. Alright, what's the next question to go through? Samuel? Last 30 seconds already.
29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 32,
Okay, last question.
22,
10, is it?
11,
Okay, the graph shows the number of visitors at the zoo. Which day were there the same number? You gotta add them, add together, alright? So, on which 2 days were there the same number of visitors? Male and so do you add them? Then how do you find the total? Cannot. You must add. You must see the number, yeah. So here is like 20, 22. Then this is 15, 16, 17, 18. So you need to add all of them to find which one is the most. Yeah, then you can find the equal. 34 16, right? So you gotta add. Don't play with my microphone. Right. That's my favorite mic. I love that mic. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we are done with the MCQ. Now, please keep the exam paper. Yeah. TikTok boy here. TikTok boy here. You see what he just did? He just did a dance move on TikTok. Okay, I didn't know you like TikTok so much. Okay, so anyway, see you next week. Okay. Keep the paper. If you have time, we can of course explore some. Yeah. But I know you are super duper busy right now because of the exam coming, prelim coming. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Awesome. Yeah. So before you go, please do the wipe down. Take the spray. Don't overspray. Yeah. Just one or two is fine. Yeah. So, yeah. What?